Hey everybody, welcome to a really super quick but important Cricut craft tutorial. Today I want to show you guys how to find the font you used after you weld. So you can see right now I have ungrouped some, I have just typed some and letter spaced them, but once you weld them it just says weld over here. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. So right now it says that the weld, which is red, is text magnolia sky. But we want to make sure we weld because remember, weld removes all of your cut lines, so it's going to cut as one single piece. So we're going to go ahead and click weld. And now all it tells you is that it says weld result. But what if you don't know what font this is? Just right click on it and go to image info. And right down here it will say selected font and tell you what font you used. And you can do that for all of your fonts. So what I'm going to do is weld this little guy because this is a separate font. And you'll see right here, we're going to go right back up to the top and we're going to just take a look, go to image info, and it says Alex Brush. Now, if you select two different fonts and weld them because you want everything to have no cut lines and just hold it all in place, it's sometimes just a little bit easier. If you go to image info now, it shows you both of your fonts. So you're using Alex Brush and Calling Heart. Now let's say that we want to weld all of our blue stuff together. I'm just going to weld those two. Let me move weld out of the way. Sorry, my dog is going to bark. But we are going to weld all of this together. So now that you've welded everything, and I'm going to show you really quick. It did fill in right here with my after. And I'm going to show you guys real quick just how to fix that just because it did it. So you want to undo the weld. And what I need to do is move my letters in just that one word apart a little bit. And it might take a second for it to come back, but it's because my letters are too close together. And I just used letter spacing, so I'm just going to see what happens if I just move it one. Sometimes all you have to do is just move it like one little spot over. So what we're going to do now is I want to weld all the blue stuff together to show you something. So if you weld everything that's blue together, it's going to make one welded image. But just like if you did it with one word, you can go to your image info and it shows you all 5 of your fonts that you used. So it's a super handy tool, and a lot of people always ask, oh my gosh, I welded, what font did I use? And they go and ask people, and we can only guess, but now you can easily find it out. Just right click, go to image info, and it tells you exactly what you used. I thought this was a super important thing to show you guys, and I know this is a little bit different from my typical videos right now, but I was out of town, so it's a little bit late. But I hope you guys had a really fun time and learned something new and a little tip and trick on how to use Design Space just a little bit easier. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I will be more than happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy crafting.